Good morning! Good morning everyone. So, uh, mag mag Facebook Live lang tayo in a short before going to school. No, kasi we have an activity in school which is Fire Prevention Month. No, so activity. So today, so I'm just showing you my 29 days old na lettuce which is ready to harvest na. So for those na gustong mag-order, so you can place your order uh, and you can set as message. And this one is very our variety for today for this month's harvest is very delicious, no, and very nutritious, because we don't have, or we did not apply any insecticides or pesticides in our our lettuce. And all of this lettuce ay hydroponically grown. So hindi po yan sumasayad sa lupa, at possible din, no, na ano, and malinis po talaga siya kasi wala siyang insecticides and pesticides. So let's start. What are the varieties that we have here? So we have romaine, no? So this one is the romaine, no? Kanini ang gitawag og romaine. So this line, okay, look at. So this one is what we call romaine. So if you are going to look at, so napakadami niyang dahon, no. Alright. So check. This one is, it is hydroponically grown. So sa tubig lang siya tinatanim. So wala siyang hindi siya sumasayad sa lupa. Then we have what we call Italian, no, red Italian. So this one is the red Italian lettuce. So napaka-delicious nito, masarap po talaga siya, and very good for your health. So mao na siya red Italian. And we have Lolio Rosa, no? So nadiri kanini it's already 29 days. Okay, so lantawan nyo, napaka-healthy ng roots and including this lettuce. Ayan. So try to look at. So place your order now. Bago kayo maubusan, because we have only kuan lang 600 heads, no? Kasi almost 100 heads ang hindi pa masyadong kuan, naulahi maguni siya, nahuli siya. So, and we have another variety also, this one. So I forgot kung say ngalan niya, mura siya pichay. 29 days pero dako na kay siya. Okay. So mao ni siya. All of this are hydroponically grown, so napakasarap po talaga nito. And hindi mo na kailangan pang no? So isang line 'yan. Okay, this one. So dalawang paraan yung pagtatanim. The first is ginamitan namin ng cup. Ito, mga cup. And mayroon din hindi ginagamitan ng cup. Ginagamitan lang namin ng net pots. So kung titingnan mo, ito yung kanyang roots sa ilalim, and napaka-healthy ng kuan, no? So net pots lang siya, and wala po talagang kukupit, walang ano. So ang ginamit is foam. So patingnan ko sa inyo. This one is foam, no? Nasa foam siya gitanom, tinanim natin sa foam. This one is a foam. Dayon sa net pots, then nilagay sa tubig. In short, there is no bacteria or fungus na pwedeng sisira sa tanim natin, because it's all wala siya nagdapat sa yuta, and there's no coco-peat, or we are using only foam, which is ang foam po nato is sterilized, and we clean the water. We clean the water. Clean naman yun yung water, no? We sterilize the water before putting any nutrient solution. So ang nagpalakil niya is nutrient solution. Okay, so hindi lang ang lettuce ang tinanim namin sa sa mini garden namin na ginamitan lang ng tubig, no, para ma-enlighten din yung iba. So we use also sa amuang. Okay, so kung makita niyo nanay bunga, this one is hydroponically grown. So kung tan-awon nimo, this one is coco peat, and sa tubig lang po siya nakakuha ng amuang, kamatis. And we have also, kita ko sa inyo, we have talong, which is hydroponically grown. Oh, this one is talong. Okay, so medyo kuha na siya, namumunga na siya talaga. So all of that are hydroponically grown. So kung gusto niyo matuto paano magtanim hydroponically, so you can message me and I can give you a full tutorial for free for you to plant or customize your area sa loob ng bahay niyo. Pwede kayong magtanim sa kusina or even sa kwarto by using grow lights. So I am happy to assist you. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.